Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Quiz instructions. Write your work on a piece of paper. Question 1. In a group of 20 students, there are 11 girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls? 9 to 11, 9 to 20, 11 to 9, 11 to 20. Question 2. Jan's flower garden has only daffodils and tulips in it. There are 15 daffodils and 12 tulips. What is the ratio of the number of tulips to the total number of flowers in Jan's garden? 5 to 4, 5 to 9, 4 to 5, 4 to 9. Question 3. The ratio of cats to dogs in a pet store is 3 to 5. Which of these could be an example of the number of cats and dogs in the pet store? 6 cats, 15 dogs, 9 cats, 15 dogs, 12 cats, 25 dogs, 16 cats, 32 dogs. Question 4. During 30 minutes of TV time, commercials were on for 9 minutes. The rest of the time a TV program was shown. What is the ratio of the number of minutes of commercials to the number of minutes the TV program was shown? 3 to 7, 3 to 10, 7 to 10, 7 to 17. Question 5. In a 2-inch long grasshopper, a 2-inch long grasshopper can jump 160 inches. If a 6-foot-tall man had the same height to jump length ratio, how far could he jump? 480 feet, 320 feet, 27 feet, 13 feet. Question 6. The ratio of nitrogen to potassium in a sample of soil is 12 to 9. The sample has 36 units of nitrogen. How much potassium does the sample have? 21 units, 27 units, 33 units, 48 units. Question 7. There are 48 boys in the 7th grade. There are 2 boys for every 1 girl in the 7th grade. How many girls are in the 7th grade? 24, 46, 72, 96. Question 8. The window shown is divided into 9 smaller window panes. Each small window pane is similar to the large window. The height of the large window is 36 inches. The width of the small window pane is 6 inches. What is the ratio of the height of a small window pane to the height of the large window? 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 6. Question 9. There are 4 boys to every 6 girls in Mr. Simpson's class. If there are 30 students in the class, how many of those students are girls? 10, 12, 18, 20. Question 10. The prices of 4 jars of pasta sauce are shown below: $1.60, $2.40, $2.64, $2.88. Which jar of pasta has the greatest unit price? Jar 1, jar 2, jar 3, jar 4. Question 11. The volleyball coach recorded the ratios of successful serves for 4 players as shown in the table below. Andrea, 7 out of 10. Bryn, 9 out of 12. Kari, 12 out of 18. Diana, 13 out of 20. Which player had the greatest ratio of successful serves? Andrea, Kari, Bryn, Diana. Question 12. Andy is 6 feet tall. If 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, how tall is Andy to the nearest centimeter? 15, 30, 183, 213. Question 13. Alexia uses 5 cups of water for every 3 cups of rice she cooks. What is the ratio of rice to water? 2 to 8, 8 to 2, 3 to 5, 5 to 3. Question 14. This diagram represents Melvin's marble collection. What is the ratio of black marbles to total marbles? 3 to 5, 3 to 8, 5 to 3, 8 to 3. Question 15. A pipe leaks 3.5 gallons of water each hour. Which table represents the total amount of water leaked at the end of each hour? Question 16. The diagram below shows a square in the interior of a rectangle. Based on the dimensions in the diagram, what is the area in square feet of the shaded region of the rectangle? Type your answer here. Question 17. Tamiko made a paper decoration as shown below. Each side of the square is 12 inches. Each triangle has a height of 12 inches. What is the total area of the decoration? Hint, we are finding the area of a square pyramid. 144 square inches, 432 square inches, 288 square inches, 720 square inches. Question 18. Gloria mows her lawn every 12 days and washes her windows every 20 days. She mowed her lawn and washed her windows today. How many days from now will it be until she next mows her lawn and washes her windows on the same day? Hint, it will be LCM or GCF. Use your keywords from your notebook. Type your answer here. Which diagram represents prime factorization of 36? 2 squared times 9, 2 squared times 3 squared, 3 squared times 4, 6 times 6. What is the surface area of the box formed by the pattern below? 28 centimeters squared, 14 centimeters squared, 24 centimeters squared, 8 centimeters squared.